Good morning! Welcome to Mamafox Books Storytime Saturdays. You can come to this channel anytime to hear your favorite stories read aloud. I'm children's author Phoebe Fox. This is the time of year when a lot of people are planting gardens. They are going to grow their own vegetables, and we're going to read a story about a little boy who grows his own. The Carrot Seed. Story by Ruth Krauss, pictures by Crockett Johnson. Let's get started. A little boy planted a carrot seed. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." His father said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." And his big brother said, "It won't come up." Every day the little boy pulled up the weeds around the seed and sprinkled the ground with water. But nothing came up. And nothing came up. Everyone kept saying it wouldn't come up. But he still pulled up the weeds around it every day and sprinkled the ground with water. And then one day, a carrot came up. Does that look like a carrot? Just as the little boy had known it would. The end. Does that look more like a carrot? This is the carrot, and this is the top of the carrot plant. I love how this little boy doesn't give up, and he takes very good care of his seed, and in the end, a carrot comes up. I hope you'll tell me about a time when you didn't give up. Leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!